All right, guys, welcome to building a project management system with Django and AdminLTE. So this series is actually divided into 7 different parts, and each part is gonna have a series of tasks that we're gonna have to work our way through to complete the part. So what you see right here is actually the task we're gonna be working our way through in part one. So when we start a task, we're gonna drag it to progress. We could also collapse it here like this, and then when we are done with the task, we could leave it at completed and then come for a different task. So when you scroll down, we have a lot of tasks that we have to do to actually complete part one. All right, so in case you run into issues with any of the parts, you're gonna have to check in the comment of the playlist. Chances are that someone has actually solved it already. And when you come into my GitHub, I'm also gonna leave a link in the description. You're gonna see that we have SwiftHub as a repository and then project manager right here. So SwiftHub is actually what we are building, and it's actually gonna contain all the different. So you could actually come here. This is actually the main, and when you scroll down, you're gonna have the description of the project, how to set it up, and everything. In case you want a code to a specific part, you could also go there and then click on that particular part. So you're gonna have Swifter part one. That is here we actually dealt with accounts, project, and then task. You could click on that. So part two is also gonna have similar name to it. So you could come here and then get a code for a specific part. Also, since you're going to be using AdminLTE, and we also realize that AdminLTE has a lot of features, a lot of functionalities. So like I told you, I actually went ahead and then download and then created a minimal version of it. So the minimal version is what we also have here. I'm also going to leave the link in it, and you're going to have to come here, clone it or download it. That is the template you're going to be using. Without wasting my time, let's start part one by installing Django.